Hello, in front of me I've got SteelSeries Arctis Nova 5. In this video I'll show you unboxing of these headphones. In the beginning, take a look at the original box. Right here we've got this notification with what devices we can use our headphones. So we can use these headphones with PC, PlayStation, Switch and mobile via Bluetooth, USB-C or quick switch 2.5 GHz. Take a look at the side of the original box. Here we've got the included items, connection setup, headphones specifics, wireless specifics, and microphone specifics. On the back of the original box we can check some information about our device. On the bottom of the original box we can locate product number, barcode with serial number, date of manufacture and more information. Let's unbox it. Firstly, we have to remove the sticker. And now we can open the original box. And as you can see, inside the original box we've got the second box with headphones, and in this smaller box we can locate some stickers, user manual, USB-C dongle and two cables. Let's check if there's anything more in the box. And that's it. Now, let's get the headphones out of this plastic cover. And here we have our SteelSeries Arctis Nova 5 headphones. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.